Hello, my name is Raphael Ragnaud, and I'm the CEO and in charge of the technology at Diamoutils. We're SME manufacturing ultra-hard materials in Annecy in France. We'll be working on two separate case studies. The first one is going to be machining ultra-hard materials like diamond on microtools. We firmly believe that we will bring novelty to the know-how, extensive know-how we developed throughout the years with this consortium. And then the second case study is going to be the most challenging one. Today, the process is about bringing layers of diamond on a hub, profile hub, and we will avoid the chemicals and the long process of manufacturing using laser technology to avoid all this chemical process, and will go better, faster, and more precise than it was before. So talking about the impact, we are going greener, we will go faster, and which customer doesn't want his tools more precise, less downtimes? What we're about to achieve doesn't exist today on the market, and we will make it happen. We will go better, faster, and greener.